Ta. Ta, we pronounce it as thick T. Ta, ta, ta. So, ta with fatha over ta, pronounced as ta. Ta. Ta with kasra underneath it. T. T. Kasra. Ta with dhamma over it will be two. Two. Ta. T. Two. One more time. Ta. T. Two. As you all know, we pronounce z as thick z. Z, z, z. So how we pronounce z with fatha? Remember, we add a to the pronunciation of the letter. So we pronounce it as za. Z with kasra, we pronounce it by adding e, so will be z. Z with dhamma, we will add o to the pronunciation of the letter, so will be zu. Za with fatha, z with kasra, zu with dhamma. Za, zi, zu. Ain. Ain. And to remind everyone, we said ain almost pronounced as a, but if you pronounce ain as a, you have little accent. So we pronounce it as a, a, a. Ain with fatha, you pronounce it as a. A. Ain with kasra, ay. Not e, by the way. Ay. Ay. Ain with dhamma, aw. Aw. Again. A with fatha, ay with kasra, aw with dhamma. One more time. A, ay, aw. Ghen. Ghen. We pronounce it as g. Ghen. Ghen with fatha, you pronounce it as gha. You add a to the pronunciation of ghen. Gha. Ghen with kasra, ghi. Ghi. Ghen with dhamma, ghu. Ghu. Again. Gha with fatha, ghi with kasra, ghu with dhamma. Gha, ghi, ghu.